YouTubers. It is 5:15 in the morning. We are getting ready to go on our annual buffalo trip, well, which will now be an annual buffalo trip. We went once and it was super awesome, so we're going again. Big group of friends getting together. Gonna go do some camping and kayaking. We got 3 days float, and we're gonna do like about 35-ish, 40 miles. So let's get everything loaded up, and then yeah, we're ready to roll out. So let me get this stuff loaded up, and we'll get back with you later. So we made it to the Rio Buffalo Outfitters. Uncle Levi's taking a nap in the truck. Uncle Levi drove in last night. It's like 10 hours. So yeah, he's tired. Hey, hey. Oh, go easy, killer. Go easy, killer. Yeah, that's the buffalo there.
It's got a good little float.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. I'm gonna go across the rocks and drag the shit.
He said, yeah. Pruitt landing.
Oh, we're starting on the bottom of that one, so we're good, Jake.
She didn't say nothing about the damn thing being closed.
I think it's down there. I think it's down here.
Yeah, it's down here.
We made it.
Wrong truck.
Is that a goose?
That's what it sounds like.
That is a goose.
Could be dinner.
Could be dinner. Could be dinner. Oh man, this is awesome. All right, guys, this is the trip. Huh? No, we do this every time, man. You've been enough. You've been enough. You know. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Floating the buffalo. Let's do this shit. Ooh. Ooh. You wasn't lying. Water is chilly.
Is your butt wet, dude?
Not yet.
No? You good? Aaron, you?
Good, man.
Good? Good and dry?
Yep.
Nice. It is cool. Brian coming in clutch with the supper. I don't know. Probably. The dog wants it bad, son. Give me that fish, bub. Give me that fish. See if you can catch it. Get that camp set up like that. On top of the hills in case the storm comes, we don't wash away.
Yeah, I choose not to have mine shown.
You signed that release already, bro. It's over with. It's over with. Not a bad view though.
Looks like a blown up sleeping bag.
It'll do, bro.
It's bullshit.
It'll do. It'll do.
That's sizzling action, son. That's how you camp right there, bro. That's how you camp. Drinking a little coffee. Had some nasty weather come through last night. Levi's tent was full of water, so he decided he was going to cut it up since it was no longer waterproof and use it for a tarp instead to wipe your feet and whatnot. River came up quite a bit though. So yeah, we're going to start cleaning up camp. Get the heck out of here. And bounce.
And that's what kept going through my mind. All right, we're in this. Everything's high. That noise is just traveling through here. There's no tornado, Brian.
Yeah, like I like the first time I heard it, I woke up, I sat up, and I looked over, and Brian was looking at me, and we just stared at each other for a second. And I was like, dude, is that a tornado? Like, it was crazy. I really thought it was a tornado for a minute. And we're off.
The one hanging furthest over.
Yeah, you can kind of see, it looks like it's hanging out up there. Yeah, we see that. We see him right there chilling.
They said there's a nest with another one in it.
Go back and take one.
He said there's a nest, Jake, with another one in it. Look, you see it? Yeah, you can see it sitting in the nest right there.
That's a big ass nest.
Wow. Sure enough, dude, that's cool. Yep. Wow. A bank we can get to somewhere is decent. There you go. Looks like we might have a spot somewhere up here, maybe, hopefully.
Take your shirt off, man. Let that sun warm you up.
You good, man? Try to get that bank or something. Jump out. Get on the other side? Yeah. On the other side? Yeah. And we'll point the sign on this side? Alright. And then we're going to get you in there, alright? Alright. Do exactly like we did last time. You got to be very, very careful when you're getting in. Alright? Let's go. See what you got. Let's go. Jump and kick. Jump and kick. Jump and kick. Jump and kick. Let's hurry up and try to get in there, dog, before we get to. I know it's a lot, but let's go. Let's go. You got it. Get up in there. There we go. There we go. Huh? Hey, let's get through these rapids, dude. We're chilling. See that rock bank on the left? We're going that way, alright? Try to put as much as you can out. We're trying to go kick the bag. Alright?
So we set up camp at Woolham Campground here on the Buffalo. It's a pretty rough day, as you've probably seen from the footage a minute ago. But yeah, river was a lot more than we thought it was gonna be. Weather got real bad last night. It was supposed to rain today, it didn't, but there's a cold front blowing through, so we'll see what that looks like here shortly. But everybody's geared up and ready, setting up camp. About to cook some food, have a couple of drinks, chill. All right, so today we floated probably 17-ish miles. The river was harsh. It was harsh. It was brutal. It was 2 individuals almost lost their lives.
Yeah.
It was pretty scary. So we ended up making camp at Woolham. Probably ended up calling it a trip just because river conditions. Everything's at flood stage. They closed the river down to all experienced floaters. We managed to float it, but it was pretty scary. So we're just gonna do a quick little cheers and chill by the fire, you know. It is what it is.
We got scotch.
We got scotch. We got man drinks. Everybody's comfortable. Aaron's ready for a nap.
The damage we did.
Damage is done. Let's go home. What's up, guys? So we decided to go ahead and call the trip. The river is going down slightly, but the current is still pretty crazy. We had this super awesome view. Got to watch the sunrise this morning. Picking up camp now, cleaning up our mess. Leave no trace, you know. But yeah, so Aaron's getting the trucks, and we're gonna load everything up and call it a day. All packed up, ready to roll. That's it. Done with the buffalo for now. Got a little load, got a little drive, but that's it. It's the end of the trip. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you later. Get your little brewski. The good stuff. Bush.